Hi students, today class do this. Page number 290. First sum. What is given? If sin c equal to 15 by 17, then find the value of cos c. Okay. So if sin c equal to 15 by 17, then find cos c value. You know identity one, sin square c plus cos square c equal to 1. Here c means theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then you get 1. So that's why you write identity 1, sin square c plus cos square c equal to 1. Okay. Now what do you find cos value? So cos square c equal to 1 minus sin square c, because plus sin square c transposed to right side, it will be minus sin square c. So 1 minus sin square c. Okay. Now cos square c equal to 1 minus sin square c. What do you want? Cos c. That's why square on both sides, you get cos c equal to square root of 1 minus sin square c. Okay. Now you know the value of sin c. What is the given value? 15 by 17. That's why you write here 1 minus sin c place, you write 15 by 17. Here square is there. That's why you write square. 1 minus sin square c value. Okay. Now cos c equal to square root of 1 minus 15 square by 17 square. That means 15 square means 225 by 17 square. 17 square value 289. You don't know means 15 square. That means 15 into 15. 5 by 25, 5 1 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 1 5 5, 1 1 1. 5, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 1, 225. Right? 17 square. 17 into 17. 7 7 are 89, 49. 7 1 7 plus 4, 11. 1 7 7, 1 1 1. Okay. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 289. So 15 square value 225. 17 square value 289. Now denominator is 289 here. Denominator is 1. That means LCM is 289. So 289 in 1, 289 times. 289 into 1, 289 minus here 1 time. 1 into 225, 225. Okay. Now 289 minus 225. How much? 289 minus 225. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 2, 6. Get 64 by 289. 289 minus 225, 64 by 289. Now root 64 by 289, write 8 square by 17 square. 8 square means 64. 17 square means 289. That's why right here 8 by 17 whole square. Now square root get cancelled. You get 8 by 17. Cos c value 8 by 17. What is the value of cos c? Therefore cos c equal to 8. Second one, if tan x equal to 5 by 12, then find secant x value. Okay. Given, what is given? Given that tan x equal to 5 by 12. What is given there? Tan x equal to 5 by 12. We know identity 2, secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. This is identity 2. In previous sum, you using identity 1. In this sum, you using identity 2. Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Okay. What do you find now? Secant x values. That's why secant square x equal to minus tan square x will be transposed to right side. Then 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Now you want secant x only, not secant square x. That's why square on both sides. Secant x equal to square root of 1 plus tan square x. Now secant x equal to square root of 1 plus, what is tan? Tan x means 5 by 12. That's why write here 5 by 12. Tan square, so that's why write square. So secant x equal to 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square. Okay. Secant x equal to square root of 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square. That means 5 square by 12 square. 5 square by 12 square. Okay. So secant x equal to square root of 1 plus 5 square value, 5 into 5, 25 by 12 square, 12 into 12, 144. Okay. Now what is the denominator here? 144. Here 1. So what is the LCM? 144. 144. 144 1 is 144 plus here 125 is 25. Square root of 144 plus 25 by 144. 144 plus 25, 169 by 144. This is secant x. Okay. You know 169 square can be written as 13 square. 144 can be written as 12 square. Okay. Finally write secant x equal to square root of a bar m by b bar m, a by b whole for m. That's why 13 by 12 whole for square. Here square root and square get cancelled. You get 13 by 12. So therefore secant x value equal to 13 by 12. Okay, now third problem. If cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7, then find cot theta. Okay, what is given? If cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7, then find cot theta. Okay, what you find? Cot theta value. Okay, given that cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7. Okay, we know identity 3, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. You know cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is identity 3. Okay. Now what do you want cot theta? That's why minus cot square theta will be right side, then it will be plus cot square theta. So plus 1 comes this side, minus 1. So cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Now cot square theta, you want cot theta. That's why cot theta equal to square on both sides. Cot theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, cot theta equal to, what is cosecant value? Here 25 by 7. So square root of 25 by 7 minus 1. Okay. Here cosecant square theta means 25 by 7 whole square minus 1. Okay, cot theta equal to 25 by 7 whole square means 25 square by 7 square minus 1. Okay, 25 square means 25 into 25, 625 by 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. 49 minus 1. Now cot theta equal to, what is the LCM? 49. There is no denominator means 1 now. So 49 ones are 49. LCM is 49. 49 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 625. 625 minus, here 49 ones are 49. Okay. Now 625 minus 49. 5 minus 9 is possible? No. Take borrow. 15. 15 minus 9, 6. Here 1. Borrow. Take borrow. 11 minus 4, 7. Here 5. 576. 576 by 49. Okay. 576 can be written 24 square, because 24 into 24, 576 by 49. 49 can be written as 7 square. Finally write 24 by 7 whole square. Here square and square root get cancelled, get 24 by 7. Therefore cot theta equal to 24 by 7. Understand? Hi students, today class, try this. Page number 290. Okay. Evaluate the following and justify your answer. Okay, what is given? Evaluate the following value and justify your answer. Okay. See here, what is given? Given that sin square 15 degrees plus sin square 75 degrees by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 54 degrees. Okay. Now sin square 15 plus sin square 75 degrees can be written as 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15. You know, 90 minus 15, 10 minus 5, 5. Here 8 minus 1, 7. So 75. So 75 degrees can be written as 90 minus 15 degrees. Okay. By cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 54 degrees. Cos square 54 can be written as 90 minus 36 degrees. 90 minus 36. Why? Because 90 minus 36. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. 54. So that's why we write here cos square 54 can be written as cos square 90 minus 36. Okay. Now sin square 15 degrees plus sin 90 minus theta. You know, on sin 90 it will be cos. So cos square, here sin square means cos square. Cos square, what is given value theta in the place of theta? Here 15. So cos square 15. So sin square 90 minus 15 can be written cos square 15 by cos square 36 degrees plus here cos 90 minus theta. You know, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So sin, here cos square. So that's a sin square. Theta value 36. Okay, students. Now see here, sin square 15 plus cos square 15. Sin square 15 plus cos square 15. You know, identity 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, value 1. So that's why write here 1 by, here also cos square theta plus sin square theta. Both are same. Theta value here 36, here 36. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here also 1. 1 by 1 you get 1. So what is the value of sin square 15 plus sin square 75 by cos square 36 plus cos square 54 is 1. Understand? Therefore, this value, therefore sin square 15 degrees plus sin square 75 degrees by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 54 degrees equal to 1. Okay. Okay students. Okay students. Now try this page number 290. Second sum. Sin 5 degrees into cos 85 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 85 degrees. Okay. Evaluate the value. What is given? Given that sin 5 degrees into cos 85 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 85 degrees. Now sin 5 degrees into cos 85 can be written as cos 90 minus 5 degrees, because 90 minus 5 85. So cos 85 can be written as cos 90 minus 5 plus cos 5 degrees into sin 85. Sin 85 can be written as sin 90 minus 5 degrees. Okay, because 90 minus 5 85. Nice. Next, sin 5 degrees into cos 90 minus theta, you know, sin theta. So here theta value 5, sin 5 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. So cos theta value 5. Here sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Okay, so that's why right here. Now sin 5 into sin 5, sin square 5 degrees plus cos 5 into cos 5, cos square 5 degrees. Now see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the value? 1. Adding to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yeah. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay students, are you understand? Sin square 5 degrees plus cos square 5 degrees equal to 1. What is the value? Evaluate the value of sin 5 degrees cos 85 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 85 degrees value is 1. Okay students, now third sum, secant 16 into cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 into tan 16 degrees. Okay, what is given? Given that secant 16 degrees into cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Okay, now secant 16 degrees into cosecant 74 can be written as cosecant 90 minus 16, because 90 minus 16 is 74. So that's why cosecant 74 degrees can be written as cosecant 90 minus 16 degrees minus cot 74 also can be written as cot 90 minus 16 degrees. Okay, into here tan 16 degrees. Now secant 16 degrees into, you know, cosecant 90 minus theta, it will be secant theta. That's why cosecant 90 minus 16 can be written as secant 16 degrees minus cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. So cot 90 minus 16, tan 16 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Okay, here see secant 16 degrees into secant 16 degrees. secant square 16 degrees minus tan 16 degrees into tan 16 degrees, tan square 16 degrees. Okay, you know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, understand?